are you, Michael?
I'm doing great, Rich, and yourself?
I am hanging in there. What does all this mean?
Well, it's a big deal in the sense that a federal court has said the Redskins name is no longer protected by the federal government as an exclusive trademark. And that's important in the sense that an exclusive trademark gives the Redskins certain protections under law against counterfeits, against other businesses trying to make money off the team name. So it's important in that regard. It's also symbolically important in that a federal judge has described the name as offensive to Native Americans. But what it doesn't mean, and I think this is maybe more significant, it doesn't force the team to change the name. The Redskins have other protections under federal and state laws to stop counterfeits. So in actuality, I don't think it's as significant as it sounds, but it's certainly a setback for the Redskins, but it isn't going to force the team to change the name. And again, there are other legal protections that the team has to continue to make money off of its name and imagery.
Like what, Michael?
Well, there are state laws under Virginia law, for instance, that combat counterfeits. There are also other federal laws under consumer laws that the Redskins can avail themselves of to stop counterfeits. There are common law decisions, so decisions by judges that the team can use if another company is trying to make money off the team name. So they can cite those as areas of law that protect them in the event others try to exploit the team name without the trademark protection. But it does make it harder for the Redskins, and it makes it maybe more likely that they're going to have to deal with counterfeits, and they're going to have to spend more money fighting those types of counterfeit activities. But it isn't, it doesn't make the team change the name. Maybe the NFL now tells the Redskins and Daniel Snyder, hey, look, this is another piece of evidence that it's going to be harder to make money off this team name. Maybe you should think about another name. But clearly Daniel Snyder doesn't seem interested in that.
No, I don't think so. And it seems like so what would be next? Would it be cheaper to appeal it as opposed to just accept it and just and go ahead and fight anybody in another state in the union that cares to start making the T-shirts bearing the team's logo on it? I mean, what is I guess the cost analysis on this for Washington?
Yeah, it's a great question, because certainly having to go to court and litigate over counterfeits and other activities that hurt your business name increases your cost of business, and that has to be a factor for the Redskins. But it doesn't seem as if that's a major deterrent for the team. I think the team knows this. The team has likely planned ahead and developed legal strategies to address the absence of trademark protection under federal law. My guess is, Rich, is that this does not lead to the team to changing its calculus. I think the team will continue to use the Redskins name. I think it will take something else. I don't think it's going to take a court. I think it's going to take really pressure by the NFL, perhaps, where more senators come out and talk about it, more public leaders, the president, again, talking about it. Those types of activities, to me, would be more influential than the reduction in trademark protection.
The Rich Eisen Show, weekdays at noon Eastern on Audience.